Hello, you can contact me for downloading and installing ready-to-use SAP IDES ECC6 S4 on VMware with lifetime validity, with developer key, with Fiori in it. You can also contact me for ready-to-use S4 HANA with lifetime validity, with developer key and with Fiori in it. You can see all files are already uploaded in my Google Drive. This is S4 HANA 2021, ready to use, already uploaded on my Google Drive. This is S4 HANA 1809, this is S4 HANA 1909, and this is SAP IDES ECC6 S4. All of them are already uploaded to my Google Drive, ready to download and use. All of them have lifetime validity with a web developer key with Fiori in it. Quickly contact me to have your own personal SAP ECC6 or S4 HANA. Thanks for watching.